Unlock the secret to viral success by transforming everyday user content into powerhouse advertisements with Topview AI. First, we dive into Topview AI's powerful user behavior analysis. This feature helps you understand what genuinely resonates with your audience by looking at engagement patterns, preferred content formats, and popular platforms. By dissecting this data, we can pinpoint the subtle nuances that make content shareable and addictive across different social media landscapes. Next, we leverage Topview AI's trending topic identification. Think of this as your direct line to what's currently captivating the internet, allowing you to tap into the zeitgeist. This goes beyond just surface-level trends, helping you discover emerging conversations and sentiments your brand can authentically join. Now for the magic generating your viral UGC ad. Topview AI's smart tools can assist in conceptualizing and even drafting compelling ad scripts and visual ideas based on your identified user behavior and trending topics. Focus on authenticity. Use genuine user clips, relatable narratives, and a clear call to action to create ads that feel organic and trustworthy, not overly produced. Combine these insights with authentic user content, and you're on your way to crafting advertisements that don't just get seen, but get shared, driving explosive brand awareness and organic growth like never before.